Okay, next is whether you got the screen? Share.
Pardon?
Whether you got the share?
Share.
Screen sharing, sir. Primavera.
Your voice is breaking. What you are telling?
Sir, whether you got the screen share? Share the screen.
Yeah, I can see your screen. S1 sample is.
Yeah. So we have to be in projects screen.
Okay.
Or go to this one. You can see sample here under special project sample,
Okay.
and then right click, open project. Hello?
Balraj, 1 second. Sorry, Balraj, somebody had called up urgently.
Okay. Are you free now?
Okay. Yeah, 100%. Now I've kept my mobile in mute mode. It will not ring now.
Okay. Now we are getting into activities.
Okay. Now this S1 sample, how you created? This
Already created
project.
project, sir. Last class.
Huh?
Last class created a project sample.
Okay.
That one, sir. Hello?
No, I'm trying to recollect how you created. I am seeing my Primavera screen to see how you had created that.
See, sir, under any EPS, you have to create. Last class, I have test. That is 2 days
Right.
before.
You told under EPS, under project, you have to create that, but under EPS, I was seeing how you created it. What was the
So
process
select one
to
EPS,
create the
sir.
project?
So select one EPS.
Okay.
And then you can see this plus button.
Okay. That plus button you add under the EPS of whatever your organization EPS is there. Under anything you can create a project, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And then step by
Okay.
step you have to follow.
Okay.
Step by
I'll
step you
just
have to
make a
follow.
note because I don't have the notes what was supposed to be given. I don't have that with me for me to refer or say
So
anything.
after reaching my home, I will share that link.
Okay,
I
fine.
shared that project, that is a YouTube link.
Okay, no problem. No, that notes that were supposed to be given to me, they are told that they'll give me a notes.
I
That
don't know,
is that
sir.
I don't have.
What you are discussing with Balaji, sir, I don't know.
I didn't discuss with Balaji. I've never spoken to Balaji except once. I spoke to one lady called what's her name in the office?
In
Rubia.
Henolkada,
Huh?
no, Henolkada only, sir.
Yeah, Hennur Cat only. There is a lady there, no, Rubia.
Hmm.
I spoke to her.
Hmm. I don't know, sir, what they are going to do. I don't know. You have to discuss with them only
Okay.
because I can't tell you anything now
Okay.
because it's recording. What are the things we are discussing is recording, so I can't tell you anything.
No,
You
no
have
issues.
to.
I'll talk to her. I'll talk to her and see when I can get that notes to refer.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. We'll go ahead. Okay.
Now I have opened the project that we are created.
You just double click on that, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Next, we have to add the activities to the project.
Right.
So same case, first open that project screen. Now we are getting into activities screen.
Okay.
Now we can see here plus,
Okay.
or in the projects you can see activities,
Right.
or plus screen. Hello.
Yeah, yeah, go on. I'm seeing that.
So already you know the rules for the PPM. Hello.
Roles for the
PPM, project planning. That is
okay.
MSP and everything.
Huh.
So first will be a milestone.
Right.
So create as BOP,
Okay.
activity ID, and then activity name. Activity name is the BOP. BOP is considered as the beginning
Okay.
of the project.
Okay.
Then click next.
Okay.
And then WBS, which WBS we have to be place this one. Automatically same as the project name. One WBS will created by the software.
Okay.
So WBS name is sample.
Okay.
So if you want, you can create your WBS. After that, you can start the project.
That is what I was going to ask. Normally, we create a WBS, and the process is we create a WBS, we approve the WBS, and then the activities are picked from the WBS.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
So you can create a WBS in this
Yes,
separately.
sir. Later I'll teach you.
Okay,
We
fine.
can take the default WBS. This is default WBS.
Okay.
Then click next. Follow.
Yeah.
Now activity type, we can say task dependent, finishing milestone, starting milestone, level of effort, resource dependent. Now this is a starting milestone.
Okay.
Click next. See, no continue. Configuration relationship means like predecessor successors we can assign now.
Right.
Okay. Now simply finish.
Okay.
See one
Okay.
activities are guarded.
Hmm.
Same way another one. Activity name A. So alphabetically I have starts.
Okay.
Activity name A. Remaining thing sample S1 task dependent. And next is assigned resources. I think you
Okay.
have the knowledge of the resources.
Yes.
So here we are not having any resources now. So
Hmm.
simply click next.
Okay.
We can add the resources later.
Right.
Next one is duration type. Normally fixed units and duration, or fixed duration and units per time. Depend upon the project type, you have to decide.
Okay. So there are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 types of 4 duration types.
Yeah,
What is the difference between these?
fixed units means that is resource unit,
Okay.
and then fixed units per time means resource units according to the task.
Fixed units is resources, huh?
Yes,
No, but this is duration, right? It is linked to resources
normally
fixed
it is
unit.
linked to either duration as well as the resources also.
Okay.
First is fixed units means resource units fixed. Next, fixed units per time is units according to the time of activities. According to.
Okay.
Next is duration and units. Both will be fixed.
Okay.
Next one is fixed duration and units per time. So that means duration will be fixed. Units of resource may be varied as per the required time.
Okay.
So like that, normally fixed units only we are following. but it is maybe varying.
Okay. Now, what is fixed units per time?
Fixed units per time means according to the available resources per day. That is as per the activity. That is working
Okay.
hour. Hello.
Okay.
So normally fixed units only better. Others as per your situation you have to decide it.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Next here approximate. It's not compulsory. High labor units, maximum labor unit, maximum non-labor units. That is machine or material or anything.
Hmm.
Duration. If you want, you can set some duration here.
Okay.
Next, finish.
Okay.
Yes. Same way you have to add all the activities.
Right.
So
This
here,
activity, I just wanted to ask one thing.
yes.
If I create a WBS first,
Hmm.
for each activity in the WBS, there will be a unique code that I will create.
Yeah, everything. There is each and activity has its own activity code and everything. That
Oh,
I will
so
teach you.
when I select that WBS, will all that activity in the WBS show up in this project activity here?
Yeah.
Okay. So including the code, it will show up there.
Everything will be there, sir.
Okay.
Next, finish. So, see, I will do first now. Directly finish now.
Hmm.
Later, I will adjust the duration.
Okay.
This is called a sum. That is a PPM sum. Here we are using only CPM, no PET.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Only CPM.
Okay.
After that, here you can see. Okay. And then
Okay.
last one. Here FOP. Just a minute, sir.
Okay.
Hello. Yes. நீங்களா சார் ஒரு நிமிஷம் லைன்ல இருக்கீங்களா இல்ல இல்ல இப்ப அந்த போன் போயிடுச்சு ஒரு ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ்ல இருக்க எப்ப ஃப்ரீயா இருப்பீங்க ஒரு 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 20 மினிட்ஸ் ப்ளீஸ் 9:10 மேல கால் பண்றேன் ப்ளீஸ் சார் சாரி ஃபார் சாரி சார் ஒரு 20 மினிட்ஸ் ஹலோ சாரி சார்
Yeah.
old friend is calling very sorry sir
No problem. No problem.
here next sample here finish milestone you have to set finish
Hmm.
and then here you can made it based on this one sir by name activity name or activity
Okay.
code also here activity code means you can see sir that naming will got confusion because we are not connecting that predecessor and successors.
Hmm.
So we are simply creating one task list of tasks.
Hmm.
Hello.
Yeah, I am hearing you.
Next is what you are going to do is select one task. Okay, sir.
Hmm.
And then general itself you can see the name, that is activity ID, name, project name, start milestone, duration of that is percentage of duration completed, calendar type. Here you can assign a separate calendar for your task also.
Right.
And then response manager, primary resources. Now we can't assign any resources. Next is status.
Hmm.
Here SAM10 BOP. Okay, sir. Here,
Right.
mandatory starting date, mandatory ending date, and other things. These are all
Yeah.
active. We have to connect after that, giving predecessors and successor.
Okay.
Next is resources. No resources now, because later we can
Let's
add
go
the
back to
resources,
status.
because this is a milestone. For milestone, there is no resource. And one more
Let's
thing I
go
will
back
do,
to
sir,
status.
just a minute. Here we can adjust this one.
Okay.
Now we can see that ID,
Okay.
activity ID we can reset.
Right.
Okay, now here in this one, activity A I can choose. The resources, we can add the resources. If we are having task link, task dependent.
Okay. Now just go back to status. Now these labor units, what is this here? Budgeted, actual, remaining, complete.
That is resources, sir. Resources and
Okay. So
tracking
we have,
stage.
since we have not added the resources, it will not show here.
Yeah, it will not show anything now.
Okay.
Then next is predecessors. Here,
Okay.
first you have to, I think you are familiar with the predecessors and successor. What is predecessor? What is successor?
The activity which is before the present, before is a predecessor, and the one after is the successor.
Yeah, you are right, sir. Here in Primavera, you can see predecessor separate area, successor separate area.
Right.
So the predecessors, this is BOP is always the first stop.
Hmm. So it will
Successor
not have any
means
predecessor.
no predecessor, successor only. Here I plan to add
Hmm.
A and B as the successor.
Okay.
Select this plus button, assign button.
Okay.
Here in the Gantt chart area, you can see.
Right.
Next one is go to A. Now you can see in the predecessors area,
Yes, BOP will be the predecessor.
and then successor I have assigned as C.
Okay.
Then B, you can see the same
Okay.
predecessors, and then successor
Yes.
will be D.
Okay.
And then go to C. Same case, successor I will assign as E.
Hmm.
And then
D.
activity D, successor will be F.
Hmm.
Some cross mixing.
Hmm.
Now predecessors, here successor, same F. So for
Hmm.
F, how many predecessors will be, sir, now?
F will have two predecessors.
Yes, go to F, and then here you can see in the predecessor area D and E.
Hmm. Right.
Successor will be G. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir. G, successor
Right.
will be H. And then for H, successor will be FOP, finishing of the project.
Hmm.
Now you can see, sir, it is a general view.
Hmm.
General view, I have created one sum with random manner. Hello.
Right.
And then
Right.
after that, I have connected here.
But all these are showing on the start on the one day only. No, there is no
No, sir, that's
even
only
after.
next we will see, sir. So predecessors and successor, we are connected it.
Hmm.
Predecessors and successor, we are connected it, but we are not scheduled it. That is the
Right.
difference. In MSP, there are two modes like auto mode and auto scheduling and manual scheduling. Now, if you are setting a automatic scheduling means it automatically connect everything one by one.
Right.
But here we have to do the scheduling manually one day. No automatic scheduling.
Okay.
For that, tools F9, that is schedule. F9.
Okay.
9 or 9. Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm just noting 1 second. Primavera has option for only manual scheduling, right?
Only manual scheduling, no automatic scheduling.
No automatic scheduling.
Only manual scheduling.
Okay, I have noted.
And then click F9 or schedule option. In the standard toolbar itself, schedule. Here you can see this mouse cursor. Yes, sir. This mouse cursor.
Mhm.
This icon.
Right.
Tools,
Hmm.
scheduling. So it will ask starting date of the project.
Right.
Any starting date you can set.
Hmm.
Click select. Here you can see the options. Go through the options,
Right.
sir. What are the things you want to do? Please take.
Ignore relationship to and from other projects. Make open-ended activities critical. Use expected finish date. Schedule automatically when a change affects dates. This we should do. Schedule automatically when a change affects dates. Then level resources during scheduling. You should do this. Then recalculate assignment cost after scheduling. This we have to do.
Okay.
And even make open-ended activities critical.
Okay, sir. Maybe your choice.
Okay.
And then click close.
Hmm.
Click schedule.
Okay.
Now you can see, sir.
Right. But so
Yes, sir. Tell.
so it is taken a finish to start activity.
Yeah. Default is FS only.
Okay.
Default is FS only. Later we can adjust.
Okay.
Take note, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Even in MSP default is FS only, right?
Yes,
Any
sir. Yeah,
scheduling.
for PPM default is FS. Others are optional. PPM. Totally PPM.
Yeah.
Clear?
Clear. Okay.
Now, next you can see here, sir. For relationship types, can use the some toolbars are there. Action administrator here.
Sub
Next
toolbars
class
you
I
put a
will.
right click there. Huh?
Yes, sir. Just right click. You can add or remove the toolbars.
Okay.
Here, assign. Assign. Where is the assign? Here. Here, next class I will show that one, sir. That is here itself. Some link toolbar will come. Hello.
Okay.
Using that, we can manually. We can adjust that from the graphical side.
Okay.
After that,
What is that? There is one link bar. What is that? Next to that man and graph there on top. That one. That one. No, no, not that. That yes.
that is resource
No,
usage,
not
sir.
next to that. No, next to that.
No, sir.
Trace logic. What is trace logic?
That is tracking, sir.
Ah, okay.
I will give you, sir. Here, you can see, sir.
Ah,
Relationship lines. You can see
yes.
here. You manually you can connect to anywhere using this.
Okay, okay, okay. Hmm.
Okay, you can change the duration types and everything, as well as.
Hmm.
Okay, sir. Clear?
Okay.
Hello. Clear, sir?
Yeah, yeah, I'm hearing.
And then see the network diagram.
Okay. Hmm.
And then to restore, switch it off that one. Can chart.
Hmm.
Clear, sir?
Okay, so the red ones indicate that all is in the critical path.
Yeah, you are right.
Okay.
Green color indicates the normal track, non-critical track.
Okay. Now,
Yeah, tell sir.
go on activity D.
Sir. Hmm.
D, activity D.
Clicked, sir.
The successor is F.
Hmm.
Okay, and predecessor is
B.
B.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, right.
Any doubts?
Yeah, I got this.
Now get into the project side. Okay.
Hmm.
Here I will add a new project.
Okay.
Okay. And
Okay.
tomorrow I will take some other numerical type.
Numerical type.
Numerical type task name.
Okay. Why? What is the difference in that?
Here
What
in
will we
this
learn?
one, predecessors and successors manually you have to do.
Okay.
In numerical type, you have to do calculate that by name itself. You have to calculate everything.
Mm-hmm.
So today I have what I have to do is I have given an exercise for you. So based upon your experience, whether it is construction field or any other special field, sir.
Construction.
So based on the construction, you have to create some projects manually. Means not in the software, just write in your notebook.
Okay. How many activities?
No, sir. Actually, what you are doing, please create it. Actually, what you are doing.
Okay, fine.
Anyhow, I'm also teaching construction. If you have any deviation, we can adjust that.
Okay. So you want me to write down the
Yeah, sir. Then
sequence
only
of
you can
activities,
get
the
your own
duration,
idea.
and the dependencies, task dependencies.
No task dependent. Just create the sum only in your notebook. After entering here, we can do
Okay.
anything. Tomorrow we
Okay,
can do,
fine.
sir.
Done. No problem.
Any doubts today?
No, this is pretty clear to me.
Okay. Today I have give you a sample one. Tomorrow I will give one critical. After that, we will get into construction.
Okay, no problem.
After that, construction and with the WBS.
Okay.
So
And
3 or 4 stages. Tomorrow,
Saturday, if possible, can I meet you in the center?
when you are coming,
I'll try to come on Saturday
hmm.
just to go through whatever we have done for last 4 classes. Whatever we have done, I want to just go through sitting with you.
Yeah, no problem. I mean, but each time you have to intimate me before. Saturday I have one commitment on morning section, 11 or
Okay.
something. Which time you are coming free? Which you are coming to center?
I'll tell you tomorrow. Depending on how my site activity goes, I'll let you know.
Yeah, please come, sir.
Okay.
Hmm.
Right then.
Okay, sir. Good night, sir.
Okay. Good night.